Not all hydraulic valves do the same job. So, when should you use a hydraulic ball valve, and when should you choose another type? A hydraulic ball valve uses a rotating ball with a central bore to control flow. With just a 90-degree turn, it can quickly open or shut off the flow. Both ball valves and gate valves can isolate flow, but there's one major difference: speed. Ball valves are designed mainly for on and off control, while globe valves provide more precise flow regulation. Needle valves are ideal for pilot lines, instrumentation, and low-flow applications. A ball valve controls whether flow starts or stops. A check valve automatically prevents reverse flow. Choose a hydraulic ball valve for fast, reliable on-off isolation, and choose other valves when your application requires regulation, precision metering, or backflow protection.